Well, it's 2021. What an interesting year this has been. But anyway, we're back out in the desert getting ready to play on the rocks. Uh, didn't get as much done to the car as we wanted to do, but last year I was running this transmission, which was basically a belt-driven setup, uh, which kind of worked. It let me test the frame of the car anyway. When I twisted the suspension around, I would get my shock towers into the shifting controls, which was a real pain. So, and the belt system just wasn't going to cut it. So I changed over to this system, which is a bigger hydraulic motor, less reduction. I was running a 5-to-1 reduction last year. This year I'm running a 2-to-1. Hope to get some changes made to that so I can run a 2-speed here, but I just didn't have time to get all that done. So anyway, I can twist the frame up and not get into the controls. So I think it's going to allow me to crawl as good as a car can crawl. The power, I can change it if I need to. I think I'm about dialed in on the torque, which is right now at 2-to-1 reduction. But I'm having some problems working on getting the speed up. It's a variable speed motor. So it's just the teething pains right now, but this hill we're climbing here is 60+ degrees. It's just a tough, good, and it's gunnite sprayed wall in Ocatillo Wells, so it's a good solid place to, every year you come to it, it doesn't change. Everything's the same. So last year I couldn't crawl it. I didn't have enough low end torque with the belts to go up this, and we still did some pretty amazing trails. So this was not a problem with the chain drive and the larger hydraulic motor. So I think I've got the crawling end of it pretty well dialed in. It's going to be another year. I don't think I can get the parts I need out here in the desert to do it, but just going up that hill right there answered a lot of questions about the car. So I think we're well on the way to getting it. I changed some other things on the car this year. Added a governor. I no longer have a throttle pedal. I'm still working on getting the potentiometer to speed the governor up, and so I can have whatever speed I want, have a governed engine, but we'll get it dialed in.